It's starting to look like a pipe. Woohoo! So before I put on the middle wing section, I've got these 4 struts bolted in with 2 bolts per strut. I've got the 1 liter tank in. My vent line loops around. This is my fill line. I'm going to not do a fuel dot this time so that I need to pull the 2 screws for the hatch and pull the hatch off to fuel it up. It gives me a chance then to do an inspection and make sure everything's good each time I fuel it up. So that's why I did it like this. And then my wiring, that's my IBEC set for 6.5 volts for the deignition. And then I've got my bundle of wires. Oh, there's the light for the IBEC. And then I've got my bundle of wires that goes here. And I've got 4 wires. So I've got ignition, throttle, and then there are 2 sensors, my temperature sensor and my RPM sensor. So far I've got these 4, which will go back here to the power box. Next I want to put on the upper middle wing and run my wires for the 2 upper servos down here. You can see they leave a little bit extra space to put your wires through. So I want to get those wires run, and I want to get the lower servo wires run and start to make a bit of a bundle, and then I can bolt these on. So much easier to do all this without that upper wing on. And then there we go. Tough to do with one hand. So that'll be pretty handy to be able to remove this to get at the front setup underneath the wing. Very, very handy, very slick. Lots of access in this thing.